week or sometimes, di ba, di ba kayo naiinis kapag when you're buying something, bawa, you want this but hindi mo siya, parang nakita mo siya pero you're not able to satisfy your needs, something like, ay, ang ganda, then when you buy it, nakakairita kasi sira. So, this always parang means na ugali mo, your behavior that freak, something like, how the producer react on this and then no how the producer
Appreciate.
react on the consumer that having this behavior, di ba? How they will please you to buy their product even if you're freak, something like you're not hindi kayo madaling mapabili, di ba? Yes, yeah. The convincing power of the producer on how they will convince you to buy their product.
Seduce.
Yes. Naiintindihan niyo? Yes. Different type of consumer. So, if we have a consumer behavior, we have also a different type. At we have a different kinds of consumer. So, all of us are consumer. We have a consumer buyer. We have a behavior, different attitude. So, we have also the different types of consumer. In business term, there are different types of consumer of goods and services that are offered for sale by companies and manufacturers. So in business, they are different. They have a different goods product for each and every one of us. So if you're an adult, so they must produce something like for adults only, not for just for kids. So it means that it has a level of product that they will produce for the consumer. First, seasonal consumer. These are the type of consumer who purchase and consume product on seasonal basis. So, if you're a consumer, then something like this, rainy season, do you want to buy? Umbrella, jacket, something like that.
Kapote. Kapote.
Yes. Yeah, seasonal consumer. Then, di ba kung seasonal consumer, how can you able to buy another product that you're not need done to your needs kung this season, kumbaga, pag summer, you will buy, yes, bathing suit, then sando,
Lotion.
shorts, so you will demand for that, diba? For that product. Seasonal means, pag season na to, yun yung basic nyo tayo. At personal consumer, these are the type of consumer are individual consumer. Who are the ones that no. Sa inyo may kapara sa kung ginagamit mo yung toothbrush mo, ginagamit mo rin toothbrush niya.
No, 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 no.
You should have your own. Yeah.
Personal.
Personal, as your own, something like personal hygiene. Do you want to wear the grip of your
No.
or match of your brother or sister? Sometimes
Never.
of course not. So in this consumer, so we are all buy product that we are using by our own
Shampoo.
Not only for you, but for them. Organic seasonal consumer. As what I've said last time, what do you call that? The mercury drugs, they are not the one who produce the medicine, but they are selling it.
Seller.
Yes, but they are rendered goods as rendered services for the personnel. What do you call this? The sino ba yung mga tao doon? Oh, pharmacies. Yeah, they render service for the pharmacies. Pharmacies. That is the yeah. Next, okay. Impulse consumer. Impulse consumer or buyer are those who make unplanned buying decision. Impulse buyer makes swift buying decision in that they encounter product when they immediately purchase after they fall in love with the product. Yeah, they didn't plan that they will buy that product. Something like if you are an addict for Hello Kitty, something like that. Then so Hello Kitty stuff like then you have the money. Yes, then it has something like that.
Love at first sight.
Impulsive. So magugulat ka